Series 18 Spin Master Monster Jam Higher Education. Here is the back of the card for Higher Education. As you can see, it is the international version of the card because it doesn't have the picture and list the other trucks in this series. Higher Education, I want to note, is in Arena Favorites. So this was also a Christmas gift from the Monster Jam Superstore. So I haven't really found anything out in the stores for a while now. So I got 3 new trucks here from the Monster Jam Superstore. This one of Higher Education, and also the Raw Crustacean, and the Bro Camino I also got. So if you want to check out the other 2 unboxing videos of these 2 trucks, go right ahead on my channel. And let's move on now to the poster of the truck here. And here is the picture of that is for Series 18, a nice picture of Blue Thunder. So on the back, let's check out the other vehicles real quickly in the series. The Dragonoid in Arena Favorites, the Gravedigger in Elemental Trucks. Then we have the Max Contrast of Blue Thunder. There we go with Higher Education Arena Favorites of Crustacean. And then in Reckless Trucks, we have that Max D. There we go. And then Showtime Trucks of Megalodon. There's Bro Camino and Arena Favorites in the Rough Crowd of Scooby-Doo. So let's go ahead and unbox Higher Education. Here we go now. The updated version of Higher Education. I'm going to take off the wheelie bar real quickly. There we go. You can do all kinds of stuff with the wheelie bar in the front or the back. But look at this updated version of Higher Education. It does say now the District of Higher Education, along with the Monster Jam logo in the back. They changed it up a little bit. These black looking rods going across the truck. I guess that's not the proper word, but they are like 3D, and you can really feel the difference of it. There is now right here and before this door, but now it says emergency exit up here up above. It is very small, but it is there. Let me see if I can get it into view. There you can see it. Now they did put a door on the school bus, which is very nicely to have, where the first edition of Higher Education didn't have that. Let's come to the front now, and it does say Cool Bus, and the lettering of the Cool Bus is larger, and also the lights are larger in the front also, and they look a little bit different. The lighting and the grille in the front looks the same to me. There's the stop sign still looking out. And on the other side of the truck now, we have the, put the Monster Jam logo in the back there. Now, they did District of Higher Education. Of course, it's the same on both sides of the truck. And I'm going to bring in the first version of Higher Education here in a little bit. Now, of course, the backlights are a little bit larger, it seems like, these lights here. And this is a little bit larger as well. A little bit different font, it looks like, to me. Up top, now they put in this little 2-liner thing right there, going across the top of the bus. And here is a little hatch or emergency exit up above, if you want to I'm gonna call it that. So very nicely updated version of Higher Education. Now this is the original one, and you can see the difference. Actually, this one is kind of set up higher a little bit than this one for some reason. Not sure if that's supposed to be, but you can see the difference in the lettering and also the black line just going across. The differences. I'm not too sure about the windows. So there you go. And then in the front, what I was talking about in the front, there you go. A nice shot of the differences. And then let me go ahead. Here is the back. Hopefully you can see the difference on the video itself. And then up above, let me see if I can do this, or maybe do it like this. There we go. So you can see the difference up top of the school bus. That and these two lines going across. So nicely done of the, oh, I had that the wrong way. But yeah. So anyways, very nicely updated of the Higher Education monster truck. Want to note real quickly, because of these bigger black lines going across the die-cast of the body, the name of the truck is a little bit smaller than the first version of Higher Education. But that's probably how it's supposed to look. Very nicely done. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing.